American sportscaster. He has been an anchor for SportsCenter on ESPN since 1979, joining a month after its initial launch, and hosted the network's Sunday NFL Countdown program from 1985 to 2016. He has also anchored Monday Night Countdown, US Open Golf, the Stanley Cup Finals, and other programming on ESPN and ABC Sports. Berman calls play-by-play of select Major League Baseball games for ESPN, including the Home Run Derby. A six-time honoree of the National Sportscasters and Sports Writers Association's National Sportscaster of the Year Award, Berman was instrumental in establishing ESPN's lasting popularity during the network's formative years. He is well known for his various catchphrases and quirky demeanor. In January 2017, it was announced that Berman would be stepping down from several NFL-related roles at ESPN, but would be remaining at the company.
Kathy Berman, wife of ESPN icon Chris Berman, dies in car accident. Kathy Berman, the wife of longtime ESPN broadcaster Chris Berman, died Tuesday in a car accident in rural Connecticut. Kathy Berman was killed in a two-car crash near Woodbury, Connecticut. A teacher, she was married to Chris for more than 33 years and had two children, Meredith and Douglas. She was 67. The driver of the other car, Edward Bertules, of Waterbury, Connecticut, also died in the accident. He was 87. We are overwhelmed by the outpouring of love and sympathy from so many folks we know, and so many others we look forward to knowing, the Berman family said in a statement released Wednesday night. Kathy Berman had a huge heart, and this would have warmed hers beyond belief. It certainly warmed ours. All of us need to keep the family of Edward Bertules in our thoughts and prayers as well. Chris Berman joined ESPN in 1979. He married Kathy 4 years later. Chris left his post as a host of ESPN's Sunday NFL Countdown after 31 seasons in January. He remains with the network after signing a new contract. This is a devastating tragedy and difficult to comprehend, John Skipper, president of ESPN, said in a statement. Chris is beloved by all his ESPN colleagues and for good reason. He has a huge heart and has given so much to so many over the years. We know how much his family means to him, and all we can do at a moment like this is give him the love and support he will surely need at this hour. Our thoughts and prayers are with Chris, Meredith, Doug and the entire family. Several NFL teams and players sent out condolences via social media.